Welcome to CSEGuru. In this session, we will discuss Quantitative Aptitude by S Agarwal, and the topic is Numbers MCQ Part 23. Problem number 111. The largest number that exactly divides each number of the sequence, that is 1 power 5 minus 1, 2 power 5 minus 2, 3 power 5 minus 3, up to n power 5 minus n is. So, if you are considering here 1 power 5 minus 1, the value we will get it as 0. Similarly, 2 power 5 minus 2 in the sense, this is 32 minus 2. The value we will get it as 30. And 3 power 5 minus 3 in the sense, 243 minus 3. So, we will get it as 240. And 4 power 5 minus 4. This is 1024 minus 4. So, we will get it as 1020. So, if you are considering here, all these values is divisible by 30. This is 1 time. And this 240 is 8 times. And 1020 is 34 times. Okay. So, the largest number that exactly divides each number of the sequence is nothing but 30. The value is 30. So, the correct answer is option C, 30. Problem number 112. The greatest number by which the product of 3 consecutive multiples of 3 is always divisible by. So, consecutive multiples of 3 if you are considering 3, 6, 9. So, this is 3 consecutive multiples of 3 or 6, 9, 12. This is also 3 consecutive multiples of 3. So, likewise, we need to take 3 values that should be a consecutive multiples of 3. Okay. So, 3, 6, 9, if you are multiplying, we will get the value 162. Similarly, 4, 9, 12, if you are considering, the value is 648. And if you are considering here, this is divided by 162 one time. And 648, if you are considering, this is divided by 162 4 times of 162. Okay. So, if you are considering here, so 3 consecutive multiples of 3, that will be divided by 162. So, the greatest number by which the product of 3 consecutive multiples of 3 is always divisible by 162. So, the answer is option C. Next, problem number 113. The largest number added to 1000 so that 45 divides the sum exactly. So, what is the largest number added to 1000 such that the sum should be divisible by 45? So, first what we have to do it in the sense, divide this number 1000 by 45. So, the quotient we will get it as 22 and the remainder we will get it as 10. So, if you are considering here, this 1000 minus 10, the value is 990. This is exactly divisible by 45. Okay. So, the largest number added to 1000 such that it should be divisible by 45. So, 990 is divisible by 45. Already the value is 1000. So, 990 plus 10. This is 1000. The value is already given. So, what is the remaining value if you are adding? That is divisible by 45. 35. So, if you are adding 35, we will get it as 1035. And that is exactly divisible by 45. So, the answer is 35. So, the correct answer is option C, 35. Problem number 114. The smallest number that must be added to 803642 in order to obtain a multiple of 11. So, first divide the number 803642 divided and we will get the remainder. We require only remainder here. So, we will get the remainder is 4. This number, if you are dividing in the sense, the remainder, we will get it as 4. And if you are subtracting 4 from this number, this value is exactly divisible by 11. Okay. what is the smallest number? You have to add it here. So smallest number if you are considering in the sense already value is 4. We require 11. So 11 minus 4 in the sense the value we will get it as 7. So if you are adding 7 to this number, it is 803642 plus 7. So we will get it as 803649. And this number is exactly divisible by 11. So the smallest number added to 803642 is 7. Correct option is option C, 7. Next, problem number 115. Which of the following numbers should be added to 11158 to make it exactly divisible by 77? So first we have to divide this number by 77. And what is the remainder we are getting? That remainder value we have to subtract from this divisible number. Then we will get the answer. So first, divide 11158 by 77. So if you are dividing in the sense, the remainder we will get here is 70. Then this remainder should be subtracted from this divisible number. So subtract 77 minus this remainder, that is 70. So we will get the value 7. So the value 7, if you are adding to this number in the sense, then that sum is exactly divisible by 77. So the required number is 7. Okay. So that is 11158 plus 7 in the sense 11165 we will get it. And this number 11165 is exactly divisible by 77. So if you are adding this number 7 with this value, you will get the sum that is exactly divisible by 77. So the required number is 7. So the correct option is option B, 7. Thank you for watching this video.